Make YouTube video public. I posted a video on YouTube and it says private. How do I change that setting? To make a YouTube video public, you can follow these steps. Go to YouTube and sign into your account. Click on the camera icon in the top right corner to open the upload menu. Click on the video you want to make public. Click on the Edit button. On the Basic Info tab, you will see a section called Privacy. Click on the drop-down menu next to Privacy and select Public. Click on the Save Changes button to make your video public. Note, if you are unable to edit the privacy settings for your video, it's possible that your video has been set to a private by YouTube due to a policy violation. In this case, you'll need to resolve the policy violation before you can change the privacy settings for your video. How to have subscribers on YouTube. There are several ways you can gain subscribers on YouTube. Create high-quality, engaging content. The most important factor in attracting subscribers is the quality of your content. If you consistently create interesting, informative, or entertaining videos, people will be more likely to subscribe to your channel. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media, blogs, and other platforms to get more views and attract new subscribers. You can also use YouTube's promotional tools, such as end screens and annotations, to encourage viewers to subscribe. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other creators can expose your channel to a new audience and help you gain more subscribers. Use keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results and be more discoverable. Respond to comments and engage with your audience. Building a community of loyal viewers is key to gaining subscribers. Take the time to respond to comments and engage with your audience to show that you value their support. Tricks behind YouTube views. There are a few tricks you can try to increase the number of views your YouTube videos receive. Use eye-catching thumbnails. A thumbnail is the small image that appears next to your video's title on YouTube. Use an eye-catching, high-quality image that accurately represents the content of your video to encourage people to click on your video. Use relevant keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos rank higher in search results and be more discoverable. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to get more views and attract new subscribers. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other creators can expose your channel to a new audience and help you gain more views. Use end screens and annotations. End screens and annotations are promotional tools that allow you to display links to other videos or your channel at the end of your videos. Use these tools to encourage viewers to watch more of your content. Use YouTube's paid promotion tools. YouTube offers paid promotion tools, such as TrueView ads and sponsored cards, that allow you to target specific audiences and increase the visibility of your videos. It's important to note that buying views or using other methods to artificially inflate your view count is against YouTube's terms of service and can result in your account being suspended or terminated.